Hi dears, very good afternoon you all. We are going to new lesson. Yay! Computer lesson 5 keyboard. In the keyboard what all the keys are there? We are going to learn. Okay. See here. You can take your computer book. Page number 2626. And keyboard is one of my main parts. Okay. See here. This is the keyboard. A keyboard is an important part of the computer. The small buttons on the keyboard are called keys. See here, these are the parts. Now I will show you keyboard. Okay dear? Here, see here, what is this? Alphabet keys. Okay, I will show with the keys. See here, this is keyboard. What it is? Keyboard. And this is escape key. Can you see? Escape key. Here see, these are function keys dear. F1 to F12. These are function keys. Function keys, it is used for specific functions. It is used for specific functions. And this is, what is that? Number lock. Okay, and this is alphabet key. See, ABCDs are there. This is used to type your name. And above, see, number keys are there. These are used to type the numbers, addition, subtraction, and type your age. All the things you can use it here. And this is enter key. This is used to go to the next line. Okay. See here, if you press this caps lock, all will be typed in capital letter dear. Okay. And see, shift. If you press shift and ABC, that letter alone will be typed in capital letter. See, and this is the long key. Longest key in the keyboard. This is space bar key. If you touch it, it will leave space. It will leave space between two words dear. Okay. And see here, here also shift, enter, and arrow keys are there dear. How many arrow keys? 4 arrow keys for 4 directions. Okay dear? Okay, so today we are learning about 6 types of keys. Okay dear? That is alphabet keys. Alphabet keys is used to type your name. And number keys. Number keys is used to type your age. Function keys F1 to F12 and it is used for specific reasons, specific functions. And space bar key, longest key, and it is used to give space between two words. Enter key. Enter key is used for move on to the next line. And arrow key. Arrow key also used to go to the next line. Okay dear? See here, backspace key, scroll lock, all more keys are there. Now shall we read the book? Come on. See here, number keys. We are reading no? The number keys are used to type numbers. They are marked with numbers 0 to 9. You can type your age using the number keys. Next space bar key. I showed you no longest key. See here. The space bar is used to give space between words. It is the longest key on the keyboard. See here. Space bar key. Next we go on to enter key. The enter key is used to move the cursor to the next line. It is also called the written key. Enter key's other name is known as written key. See here, enter key. Next, functions key. I showed you above F1 to F12. A keyboard has F1 to F12 function keys. It can perform specific functions using the function keys. See here. Next, arrow key. I showed you 4 arrows for 4 directions. Arrow keys are keys pointing all 4 directions. you can control the movement of the blinking line, cursor. That arrow will show, no, that is cursor on the monitor using the arrow keys. That's all. So today we are reading all the 6 keys and parts of the, what are the keys are there in the keyboard. Okay dear. And in the classwork note, you are going to write D words. Alphabet key. ALPHABET. Alphabet. Keys. KEYS. Number keys. NUMBER. Number keys. 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 Number keys. Function keys. FUNCTION. Function keys. 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 Space bar key. SPACE. Space BAR. Bar. KEY. Space bar key. Enter key. ENTER KEY. Enter key. Arrow key. ARROWKEY. Arrow key. Okay dear. So you can write it in the classwork and send in the Google Classroom. And today riddle is, what is the other name for enter key? Okay dear. So bye bye. Take care and see you.